Now, probably you are watching me with your phone. In a name, she said, now, phone. This is my phone. Come on. This is my phone. What do you call phone in your dialect? In those olden days, our forefathers may have not seen a phone. The founders of our community may not have seen phones. But now we have phones. Now, what do we call it? In my Ndokwa dialect, we call it ekwente. N'ime asụsụ obodo anyị, ife anyị na-akpọ phone, kene Njineka aka ka Ijineka na-ene bụ ekwente. Ekwente. That's what it's used for, to hear and to receive call. Give me my phone. Yem ekwentem. Give me my phone. Yem ekwentem. Kenibo ekwentem. This is my phone. So always learn your language because it shows where you are from. And it can also help you in different places you find yourself. So don't forget to follow me, like, share, comment. Tell us in the comment section what you call this in your own dialect. Thank you.